Dear students, today we will read an interesting story. This story is related to Vikramaditya, and the name of the story is Vikram Baital. Vikramaditya, the king of Ujjain, was busy in listening the woes of the people. A monk came to his court and gave him a fruit. The king handed over this fruit to the treasurer. After that day, the monk used to come daily and give the fruit. One day, the king gave this fruit to a monkey instead of the treasurer. When the monkey broke the fruit, a shining gem emerged out of it. The king immediately called the treasurer and asked, "Where is the fruit that I gave you?" The treasurer said, "I have hoarded the fruit in a corner of the treasury. All of them have spoiled, but there is a heap of gems lying there." Next day, the monk came as usual. The king said to the monk, "Why did you give me so many precious gems?" The monk said, "I want to meditate to get power. I need your help. I shall wait for you under the tree which is in the cremation ground." It was no moon night. The king wore black clothes, took a sword, and left the palace. He did not inform anyone about it. The scenery of the cremation ground was very dreadful. Bones and skulls were scattered here and there. The howling of the jackal was the only sound heard there. The king moved fearlessly and reached near the tree. The monk's eyes glittered with happiness. He said to the king, "Walk to the southern direction. You will find a corpse hanging on a banyan tree. Bring that corpse so that I may perform my rites." The king moved to the southern direction. Soon the banyan tree was in front of him. He climbed the tree, kept the corpse on his shoulder, and came down. As soon as the king moved a few steps, a voice came from the corpse. It was the voice of Vetal present in that corpse. "Vikram, you have worked hard to bring me down. You must be tired. I will tell you a story to pass your time in journey. If you speak any word, I shall fly back to the banyan tree." The king did not speak anything and continued his journey. Vaital narrated an interesting story. After it, he asked a question. He warned the king, "If you know the right answer, you must answer. If you keep mum or give wrong answer, your head will burst." The king answered the question correctly. Baital was pleased with his answer. According to the condition, Baital flew back on the tree. The king returned back to the banyan tree. He took the corpse on his shoulder Betal again told a story, got answer, and flew back. The king tried again and again to return to the monk with the corpse. At last, Betal disclosed the secret. He said, I am satisfied with your wisdom and bravery. That monk is really an evil man. He wants to get evil power to rule over the world. He will cut down your head to perform his rituals. The king returned to the monk with the corpse. He took it from the king and garlanded it. He was chanting mantras. He told the king to bow down to please his god. When the king heard it, he understood the whole matter. The king said, I don't know the correct way. Please show me how to bow down. The monk bowed down to show the example. The king drew his sword and cut off the head of that evil man. Vaital emerged there. He told the king, you have saved the whole world. You may ask for a boon. The king said, I request you to make all the stories that you told me famous in the world. This was the story of King Vikramaditya, and the story was Vikram Betal. Thank you. Have a nice day.